Kate with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about the 3M command hooks. So I have this armoire in my mudroom. It is full, as full as it can be, and I need a little bit of extra space. So I've been using these command strips. I have them in different areas of my home, but I decided to apply one to the door. So I wanted to show you just how easy it is. It comes with a little sticky thing, double-sided. You take the one side off, attach it to your hook, peel the other side off, apply pressure on a clean surface, and that's it. Then you have a reliable hook. This one is rated for 5 pounds, which is great for any purse or bag or jacket or whatever you have. So I really am pleased with it. The other thing I love about this brand is how easy it is to remove. So it comes with a little tab at the bottom. You remove the hook and you pull and it releases, and you have no sticky residue after. You wouldn't even know there was a hook there. So just a fantastic design all around. I absolutely recommend this brand, and that's my point of view.